Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to say your new criteria, that is Centrate Criteria. Get, set, go. This criteria can be used in two ways. That is similarity criteria for triangles. You can use this criteria to say that two triangles are similar to each other or not. And we can also use this as congruence criteria for triangles. This criteria can be used to say that two triangles are congruent to each other or not. Two or more, not only two triangles. First we see into similarity criteria for triangle. You can take a triangle to see the definition for this criteria. For example, take a diagram. Simply we can say that. And this is a diagram. Here are the medians that you may get when you draw a triangle and draw a median for this. And we get a centroid, that is G. We take G as a centroid. We all know that centroid divides all the medians into an ratio. That is, bigger part is 2 and the smaller part is 1. That is, the ratio of a median is 2:1. That means the centroid can divide a median into a ratio that is 2:1. So now let's see the definition. You can understand clearly. When the ratio of division of median by a centroid of a triangle should be equal to the ratio of division of median by the centroid of another triangle. I think you are still confusing. So let me explain this definition. I will explain you this definition with an example. Take two triangles. Now we will prove that two triangles are similar or congruent. We take a criteria to prove that. Same, you take this criteria to prove that. And I will explain you by taking two figures. And I will prove that they are similar to each other. Because it's similarity criteria. So that's why I will prove that similar to each other. Okay, now you take two triangles. This is one triangle and this is where two are different in shape and different in size, different in color too. Now draw the median in both triangles. Check whether their ratios are same or not. Don't get confused. Here ratios means the ratio of division of median. We learned that centroid divides the median into an ratio that is 2:1. Here we can see that two medians and two centroids divides two triangles into n ratios. So now we find that DF and JL from both triangles respectively, and we found the definitions ratios as 2:4 and 1:2 respectively. As the ratios of division of median of both triangles are same, they are said to be similar to each other by this criteria. And you should remember that the ratio of division of medians should not be simplified. That means you take a 2:6 ratio and another is 3:9. If you cancel it, we get 1:3 in both ratios. But we cannot classify that both are similar or congruent. So to prove that two triangles are similar to each other, we should not simplify the ratios. Because if you simplify, you cannot understand they are similar or congruent to each other. So we have completed the centrate criteria of one way, and now we learn second way, that is congruence criteria. Up to now we know congruence criteria are SSS, NA, SA, SAS, RHS, etc. But this is a new way to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other. So we take two triangles and let's see the definition for this. And by taking two triangles, and we also prove two triangles are congruent to each other or not. For that we need two triangles. Now I took two triangles. They are equal in shape or not, we don't know. We should prove that. And these two are the triangles, and NP and QS are the medians. The ratios are same, 1:2 and 1:2. Sorry, 2:1 and 2:1. And the centroid is O and R. Here we can find the two ratios are same. And this is the description for the last figure. You can go through it clearly. As the ratios of division of median of both triangles are same, they are said to be congruent to each other by this criteria. You can also check it in your home by taking two triangles. I think you all understood the content of the video. If not, you can see the video twice, thrice, but learn the criterias and things that I have explained you in the last videos perfectly. The reason I upload some videos like this in YouTube because to give some knowledge on mathematics. By the way, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, you can drop a comment on this and don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. And in my explanations, there are some important points. I have noted it on the slide. You can take a look on it. I will give the time to read those points. Read it carefully. Don't miss a word. If you're interested, you can take it in your notebook too. And these are another three important points. If you read it, you can recognize that I have explained you in this video. You can also note these points too. Once again, thanks for watching my videos and all my subscribers. Meet you in my next video. Bye.